morning, everyone. So what about a 1-minute YouTube? I know it's not a long time to share, but I think it's just something quickly I'd like to show you. These are some seedling phlox I've been digging out and relocating in this one area by hydrangea limelight. It seems a nice cozy area with the limelight slightly taller than the phlox, but they're quite large. But I like the shades of lavender and light purple, and a nice white one too. But what I also like, let's get a little closer, I'm gonna get beyond, is the smaller flowers. I really enjoy the small flowers that are on these Phlox paniculata. I enjoy the height. I think for me, tall is cool. And you can see how they get up here with the hydrangea. But let's see the flower size. The flowers on this one are like a medium size, almost like a phlox that you'd see. And then we get this nice white, kind of white with a little lavender in it. And I have to say, I'm by no means a hybridizer. I just let things happen and I see what works for me personally. And then I try to share that with others and see if there's anything of interest to all of you out there. But look at the smaller flowers on this light lavender one. I dug out and moved here. I guess if I put my finger there, you can see the size of the fingernail. They're very beautiful. And again, for me, I like the, there's a nice pink lavender one that's mixed in. Now that is a seedling from the white ones and the lavender, so that's a seedling that came up. And I'll probably leave that in there and maybe see if Brent would do some cuttings for me at intrinsic, and I could use that in some of the gardens. But again, I like height. I do like the tall size. And we take a look at the foliage. So through the heat of summer and the dry summer, we haven't had much problem with spider mites on the foliage on these either. So that's interesting. We haven't, so they seem very persistent to have a good life, this group of phlox. Okay, that's my little phlox tour. Oh, one more. I'm getting carried away. See the small flower on this white one too? Okay, big is good. I think big is good. All right, everybody, stay cool.